passionate, self-taught cooks. We are truly the future of the culinary industry. Now, don't get me wrong, culinary school is great. I don't want to get a bunch of hate in the comments about this. I'm not saying culinary school is bad. It's great if you want to learn how to work in the restaurant business, or if you want to learn about hotel banquet service, or in general, if you want to be an employee in the hospitality industry. It's great. They certainly double down on this because they spend millions and millions of dollars to advertise the very fact that they will get you a job in a restaurant. But how many of us passionate cooks who want to get paid to do what we love don't want to work in a restaurant? We don't want to work nights and weekends and holidays. We don't want to kill ourselves in somebody else's business for $15 an hour. And thank God we don't have to. There are tons of opportunities for passionate cooks that don't involve spending tens of thousands of dollars and years of your life on culinary school, or involve getting a job in a restaurant working horrible hours for low hourly pay. There are passionate cooks who bake out of their homes. There are passionate cooks who do small boutique catering events. There are passionate cooks who do meal planning or cooking lessons. And then my favorite and specialty, there are passionate cooks who do weekly meal prep for regular paying clients. Not selling like one-off plates of meatloaf on Facebook, but regularly scheduled work week after week for the same clients, and you cook for them in a few hours and they have a few dinners for the week. That's what I think is the absolute best path for getting paid to do what you love without having to go to culinary school or do that killer restaurant work. It's really where passionate cooks can retain a personal life, live in regular hours like probably most of the people in their lives, not miss out on holidays, and you get that passion of actually doing what you want to do, which is the cooking part. Because a lot of times in a restaurant, you're having to handle inventory or staffing or a whole bunch of other stuff that has nothing to do with what you actually want to do, which is the cooking. So my mission is to give you, passionate home cook, the path to be able to do this. This is by starting your personal chef business. Your business, you get it set up exactly how you want to do it. You can do weekly meal prep services, you can do small event catering, you can do cooking classes. If you're a passionate cook and this is exactly what you want to do, get paid to do what you love, you can check out my free guide. It walks you through exactly what to do for a weekly meal service, just like you were doing it for a paying client. And if you absolutely love it, then starting your own personal chef business will be the absolute best way that you can get paid to do what you love, cook. Because I'm telling you, clients are out there and they are hungry for what you're cooking.